Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can change the color of the photo using Canva. So let's see how we can do it quickly. This is one of the sample images which I already uploaded in Canva on my account, and then to change this color of this image, at first we need to click here and you will see the border or highlighting thing is appeared like this, and on the top you will find couple of options are there. To change the color, at first we need to click this color. Once we click here, then it will give us different option. From here we can choose any color. Suppose for example I want to choose this color, then we just need to click here and we'll see that the image color has been changed. If you also want to change the second color, we can also click here and we can also click one of the color and it will be changed. Even if we are not happy with this color, then we can also click this plus and it will pop up this option, and from here we can choose any of the color, and based on that the picture will be updated. Suppose I want dark reddish, then we have to choose like this, and then we have to select it from here, and then the color will be applied on that image. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily change the color of our image using Canva. Thank you guys for watching the video.